Go into first and have some fun. Whew. Alright, just a wheel spin in second. Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going for a POV drive in my Stage 2 Ford Fiesta ST. We've not actually done a POV drive as of yet on the roads with Stage 2 installed. This actually has pop and bangs as well, which is why you're going to hear a lot of pop and bangs along the way. But let's hop inside and let's go for a drive. Okay, let's get this started. And if you're unfamiliar with the setup we've got Stage 2 pop and bangs, we have the ITG induction kit, so we're going to be getting some nice blow off noises, and we've also got a Miltech non-res race exhaust with a sports cat, so it, you know, sounds a lot better than stock as well. We've also got a short shifter installed, so the gear changes are nice and sharp, and yeah, this thing should be insane. So let's go for a drive. All right, so we're now out on the road and we're going to be on some really nice country lanes in just a second, where we can start going through some gears and stretching the legs on the old Fiesta ST. So like I say, 250 brake, it's pushing decent power now. It really does push you back in your seat, and we will spin a lot. I'll turn traction control off actually. As you can hear, it's mental, the bangs we get out of this. Do I like the bangs? I would like 3, like bang a bang, and that is it. But this thing doesn't shut up. I'll put the window down a little bit and downshift into second. Yeah. Yeah, that's the kind of noise we're dealing with, and we'll bring up the revs a bit more in a second. Yeah, this car's, with the Stage 2, it's got the power to overtake so easily now. It really pulls. That was a third gear pull there. Just overtake, indicate, and bang, we're through. The turbo, you can really feel it pushing you back in your seat. It's nice. But when you put your foot down, oh, it sounds so good. It has a real growl to it now. Okay, we're about to get to the twisty section of the road. I actually love this road. It's kind of well paved. It's not too bad. And yeah, we get some really nice twisties. So I'm going to open the window a little bit and let's have some fun. Oh, what a machine. This road is so fun to drive. Oh, let it breathe. What a machine. Oh, it's so nice, this car, the sound. When you find a nice road that's decently paved and something where you can just go through the gears and enjoy it. Oh. It's such a joy to drive. The gearbox just pulls it all together. The noise, it has a good front end on this car, I have to say. Like, it does have a good front end. You can really chuck it in, and you can tell the car's light as well. And I feel like we have the perfect amount of power. Like, I've never driven a Stage 3 Fiesta, but they must be quick. G-Wagon, jeez, G63. Braking into this corner. It's nice, the road is dry just about, so we can have some confidence in that front end. Oh, it flies, this thing. It flies down a country lane now. It does have the perfect power just to pull you through. Flipping hell, mate. This thing is good. This is a good car. You know, it doesn't feel underpowered at all anymore. 250 brake in a Fiesta ST is, it's insane. It's so insane. camera, yeah, it's good. Let's go into first and have some fun. Whew. That is just a wheel spin in second. Jesus Christ. To be honest, I think that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the little drive in the Fiesta. It's an insane car, and yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so fun to drive. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.